Hello. Let me tell you all about NFTs. Are you ready to learn something new and exciting? Great, let's get started. NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token, which might sound like a mouthful of mashed potatoes, but don't worry, it's not that complicated. Think of it like this. Have you ever traded a toy with your friend? Maybe you gave them your favorite action figure for their cool race car. When you trade something, you want to make sure you get something of equal value, right? That's what fungible means, things that can be exchanged for something of equal value. But what about something that's unique and one of a kind, like a drawing you made or a special stuffed animal that's been in your family for years? That's where NFTs come in. They're like special digital stickers that show that something is really special and unique, just like your favorite toy. Let me explain a little more. NFTs are a way of proving that something is special and one of a kind on the internet. You know how when you take a picture on your phone, you can show it to your friends and family, but they can also take a picture of the picture? With NFTs, it's like putting a special sticker on your picture that says this is the original, one-of-a-kind picture. But NFTs aren't just for pictures. They can be used for all sorts of digital things, like music, videos, and even tweets. That's right, someone paid a lot of money for a tweet by the founder of Twitter. So why would someone pay so much money for something that they could just take a screenshot of or save on their computer? Well, it's kind of like collecting baseball cards or stickers. How can you create NFTs, you ask? That's a great question. So, first, you need to find something that you want to turn into an NFT. It could be a picture you drew, a video you made, or a song you sang. Whatever it is, it has to be something that you created yourself and you think is really special. Once you have that special thing, you need to turn it into an NFT. Now, this part might be a little tricky, but don't worry, I'll explain it step by step. The first thing you need to do is go on your computer and find a special website that helps you turn your special thing into an NFT. There are lots of different websites that do this, so you might need to do a little searching to find the right one. When you find the right website, you need to follow the instructions to turn your special thing into an NFT. This might involve uploading your picture or video or song, and adding some information about it, like its name and who created it. Once you've done all that, you need to pay some money to turn your special thing into an NFT. Now, this part might sound a little weird, but it's kind of like buying a ticket to a movie or a toy from the store. You're paying for something that you really want to have. And that's it. Once you've paid the money, your special thing is now an NFT. That means that only you own it, and nobody else can say that they own it. It's like having a really special toy that nobody else has. Now, if you want to find some NFTs, there are a few places you can look. One place is on the internet. There are lots of websites that have NFTs for sale, kind of like how you might go to a store to buy a toy. You can search for NFTs on these websites and find all sorts of cool and interesting things. Another place to find NFTs is on social media. Sometimes, people will share their NFTs on websites like Twitter or Instagram, so you can see what they look like and maybe even ask the owner some questions about them. And finally, you can also find NFTs at special events, kind of like how you might find cool toys at a toy convention. These events are called NFT marketplaces, and they're places where people who love NFTs can come together and share their special treasures. But, just like how you have to be careful with your toys and make sure you don't lose them, you also have to be careful with NFTs. You don't want to accidentally give your NFT to someone else or lose it on the internet. And you also have to be careful with your money, because sometimes NFTs can be really expensive. So, there you have it. NFTs are special treasures that people create, and you can find them on the internet, on social media, and at NFT marketplaces. Just remember to be careful with your NFTs and your money, and most importantly, have fun exploring the world of NFTs.